My favorite quote comes from my grandfather. It's actually titled Recipe for Good Living. Something to do, someone to love, something to hope for. Hi, I'm Jeff Daxe. I'm a partner here at Ingram, Johnson & Steele in our Employment Law Department. I've been here since I graduated from law school in 1997. I head that department and we work on both employment litigation as well as employment compliance issues, helping clients with handbooks and contracts and severance agreements, but also audits and responding to charges of discrimination and wage and hour issues. All sorts of small business HR type compliance is what we deal with in the employment law group. Referring back to my favorite quote, the something to do, I feel like it's work with a purpose here at Ingram, Johnson & Steele. I interviewed back when it had fewer than 20 lawyers, and this firm has grown as Cobb County and its business community and population have grown, and we've grown in our sophistication providing services to those clients. Here at work, one of the things I'm passionate about is helping others, and one of the nice things about Ingram, Johnson & Steele is it's given me the flexibility to do a good bit of pro bono community service work here at the firm. I was very proud recently to be honored with a regional award for pro bono work, but it's something that I couldn't have earned without the support of the firm. And doing that kind of work allows me again to have a purpose here in the office. The purpose at home, of course, is family. And in supporting them, I've got 3 wonderful children. My wife, Stacy, who I learned the law from, she was the employment lawyer first, not me. I married into an employment law family and decided I had to know the family business to have conversation topics at the dinner table. I live in Smyrna. I'm very involved in Smyrna events, Smyrna educational foundations, Smyrna Business Association, the Cobb Chamber. Those are the kinds of extracurriculars that I'm involved in addition to scouting, which has always had a very large impact on my life and remains one of the things I'm passionate about with my son in scouting now, my daughter's in scouting, and we like camping as a family and hiking and just being outdoors. I love it when our clients come in before they get audited, before they get sued, before there's a problem, and have us check whether or not they're compliant for their HR needs. It's when they don't do those things on the front end and we see them later and they have big problems. We solve those problems, but I would much rather see them on the front end before there's a problem. Let us go out and do a little audit, an HR audit, make sure everything's in order, make sure you're compliant so that the business is compliant, the owner doesn't get harmed through later litigation, and the business can continue to grow and flourish. That's really what I hope for.